Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to my channel, where we uncover the best travel tips and tricks to make your journey extraordinary. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how you can experience the ultimate luxury of flying business class without breaking the bank. Yep, you heard me right, business class. So buckle up and get ready for a business class upgrade like no other. Set the stage. Picture this. You arrive at the airport, the hustle and bustle of travelers fills the air, and there you are standing at the check-in counter. The key here is to exude confidence. Smile, greet the staff graciously, and strike up a friendly conversation. Trust me, a genuine smile can work wonders in getting you that VIP treatment. Timing is everything. Now pay close attention, my friends. Choosing the right time to check in can significantly increase your chances of getting upgraded. Aim for a flight that's not too busy, preferably during weekdays or off-peak seasons. If you're flexible with your travel plans, this trick will work like magic. Dress the part. While we all love the comfort of our travel outfits, if you want that coveted business class upgrade, you need to dress to impress. Swap out your comfy joggers for something a bit more polished. Remember, you're trying to convince the airline that you belong in the fancy seats, so dress accordingly. Utilize your airline loyalty. Here's a secret weapon in your arsenal, my fellow frequent flyers. Loyalty programs. If you're a member of an airline's loyalty program, or have status with a partner airline, make sure you mention it at the check-in counter. Your loyalty could be the golden ticket that pushes them to upgrade you to business class. Loyalty pays off, my friends. Be friendly with the gate agent. Once you've passed through security, head to your gate and make friends with the gate agent. Strike up a conversation, ask about the flight status, and show genuine interest. Building a good rapport with the gate agent can go a long way in boosting your chances of that luxurious upgrade. The art of politely asking. Now it's time for the game changer, the power of nice. When boarding, politely ask the flight attendant if there are any opportunities for an upgrade to business class. Remember, a kind approach is key here. They might not always have an extra seat available, but never underestimate the power of charm and kindness. And there you have it, my savvy travelers. My secret tip to upgrade to business class. By mastering the art of timing, dressing appropriately, leveraging loyalty, building connections, and simply asking nicely, you could be soaring through the skies in unparalleled comfort and luxury. Set your sights high and fly like royalty, because with these tips, nothing is out of reach. If you loved this video and want more amazing travel tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. And as always, safe travels, my friends. Until next time,